Every euro begins its journey here, among fields of raw fibers. Blending guarantees consistency across all fibers entering production.
Sheets of fibers are prepared for pressing, forming the material's core.
Human oversight ensures every adjustment meets
Stabilization locks in every applied feature. Every edge is cut within microscopic tolerances. Alignment ensures absolute consistency across every note. The structure of each banknote is now fully defined. Controlled pressure gives the fibers strength and uniformity. Cooling solidifies the fibers, readying them for refinement. Careful stacking preserves the quality of every sheet. The foundation is set, ready for precise, high-tech processing. The core material now moves forward to undergo its final transformation. The euro banknotes are printed on specialized presses using cotton fiber paper, giving them their unique crisp feel and durability. Automation now takes over, executing thousands of precise actions every second. Each sheet is isolated, aligned, and prepared without human touch. Sensors inspect surfaces faster than the eye can follow. Only flawless material is allowed to move ahead. Unique identities are applied with mechanical certainty. Human supervision ensures machines never drift from tolerance. Order is restored before final refinement. Automation handles weight, repetition, and absolute consistency. The process now shifts from power to precision. Now the material is refined to exact dimensions. Protective layers extend durability and lifespan. Stability is locked in before final inspection. Human touch confirms what machines already predict. Only approved material moves forward. The process now turns to verification. Every detail will now be measured and tested.
Quality control begins with controlled observation.
Every printed detail must meet exact specifications. Machines confirm what the human eye cannot measure. Durability is tested against years of circulation.
Inks and coatings must withstand moisture, heat, and time.
Only perfect matches move forward. Anything below standard is removed from circulation.
Approved currency is secured for final handling.
Every batch is logged, tracked, and accounted for.
Testing complete, the currency is cleared for release.
The finished currency enters secure storage and handling.
Packaging protects value before distribution. Automation ensures speed, balance, and consistency.
Each load is sealed for controlled transport. Secure handling continues until final release. Storage remains controlled, monitored, and temporary.
Final verification precedes distribution.
The currency now leaves the factory. A controlled journey begins beyond these walls. And this is how modern factories produce currency from start to finish.